Shua Tov Mevarach. We are continuing the Mishnah Yomi in chapter 5 of Yoma, Mishnah Dalet. Heviu lo et asir. They brought the Kohen Gadol the seir, the male goat, which was picked to be the chatas lashem. Had been standing by Shar Nicanor. Now they bring it over. Shahatu, the Kohen Gadol slaughters it. Kibil b'mizrak etamo, and he receives the blood in a bowl. Nichnas l'makam shenichnas. And he takes this blood back to the place that he'd entered before, the Kodesh Kodashim, the Holy of Holies. Amad b'makam she'amad, and he stands there in front of the Aron, or as we explained, where the Aron used to be, on the Even HaShia. Hiza mimena, and he sprinkles from this blood of the goat, achat lamala, once upwards, sheva lamata, 7 times downwards. Lo haya mitzkaven lahazot lo lamala wa lamata. He's not like he's aiming upwards or downwards. Ela kimatzlif. He's like whipping his hands in either upwards or downwards, as we've explained previously, by the blood of the bull. And thus would he count achat, 1, that's the upward one, achat ve'achat, 1 and 1, achat v'shtayim, achat v'shalosh, achat ve'arba, achat v'chamesh, achat v'shesh, achat v'sheva. Some Mishnayos say v'chulu there because we're repeating the procedure we've seen before. Yatza, he goes out of the Kodesh Kodashim, v'hinichu, and he puts down this bowl of goat blood al kana zahav hasheni shahai b'hechel, on the second golden table, golden stand that was in the temple building. Yehuda says, Lo hayasham ele kan achad bilvad. He says there's only one golden stand there for bowls of blood. Now we recall he had put the blood of the par down on this stand before. So either he takes it from there, he takes it from the other one, natal damapar, he picks up the blood of the bull, and puts down the blood of the goat. Hiza mimenu. Now he takes the blood of the bull back, and he sprinkles from it ala parochet shegeneged ha'aron mibachutz, on the curtain that's in front of the Kodesh Kodashim, outside of the Kodesh Kodashim. So how he sprinkles it similarly to what he did inside the Kodesh Kodashim, achad lamala sheva lamata, once upwards and 7 times downwards, lo hayim mitkaven, lahazot lo lamala lamata, ele kematzlif, as we explained in the whipping his hands motion. Kachayimone, achat, achat v'achat, achat v'shtayim, achat v'shalosh, achat v'arba, achat v'chamesh, achat v'shesh, achat v'sheva. It sounds like Sesame Street, Baruch Hashem, that we are learning how to count, but it's important for the Kohen Gadol to keep clear that he's done the 1 upwards and the 7 downwards as is required. And now, natal damasir, he takes the blood of the goat, pineach damapar, and puts down the blood of the bull, vehiza mimenu, and now he's sprinkling from the dam of the goat, al parochet, on this curtain, shekeneged aron mibachutz, that's outside of the Kodesh Kodashim. Remember, there were twin curtains there in the second temple instead of the Amatroxlin, achad lamola, sheva lamata, once above and 7 below, lo haya mitkaven, lahazot, lo lamala, lo lamata, ele kematzlif. Again, kachayamone, achat, 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 achat v'shtayim, achat v'shalosh, achat v'arba, achat v'chamesh, achat v'shesh, achat v'sheva. Now here's a new one, eira dama par latoch damasir. He mixes the blood of the bull into the blood of the seer. V'natan etamale barekan, and then he pours from the full one, that's the combination of both bloods, into the empty bowl. So now by pouring from the leftover bull blood into the seer and then pouring that combination back into the first bowl, the empty bowl, he has thoroughly mixed them. Great. On to Mishnah Hey. V'yotza ela mizbeach asher lifnei Hashem ze mizbeach hazahav. And he goes out to the mizbeach, which is before Hashem. This is the golden mizbeach. This is the mizbeach inside the heichal, inside the temple building. Remember, there's a very large mizbeach called mizbeach adama, or called the stone mizbeach, in the courtyard. This is the golden mizbeach inside the temple building itself. Used to be inside the Mishkan. Hitchil mechatei v'yured. He begins to purify. This word mechatei can mean purify. It can also mean to apply or smear the blood. He begins to purify the mizbeach and downward. He's going downward. Mehechan hu matria. Where does he start? Mekeren mizrachit tzfonit, from the northeast corner. Tzfonit ma'arvit. He goes to the northwest. Ma'arvit dromit, the southwest. Dromit mizrachit, and then the southeast corner. He's going around applying the blood. Makam shu matchil, the place he begins. Bechatat al mizbeach hitzon, when he's bringing a carbon chatas on the outer mizbeach, you will see the blood from a carbon chatas is applied to all four corners of the outer mizbeach. Misham hayagomer mizbeach pnimi. This place he starts for a regular korban chatas on the outer mizbeach, he finishes applying blood on the inner mizbeach on Yom Kippur. Eliezer differs. Bimkomo haya omed imachate. He wasn't going around the inner mizbeach. He could stand in one place because this inner mizbeach, the mizbeach hazav, is only 1 amma square, so he could reach around to all four corners. Valkulan haya noten milmata lamala. On all of them, he applies from bottom to top. Chutz mizo shahai telefanav, except for the one corner he's standing in front of. She'alea haya noten milmala lamata. There he applies from top to bottom. The concern being he doesn't want to get blood on his Kohanic vestments, so the one that's in front of him, he applies in the opposite motion to not give blood on the sleeves. Shavua tov mevrach and zay gesund.